Hey everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at setting up sheets for a model, architectural, and our different disciplines and how to do sheets. So today it's going to be a couple of part exercises. We're going to just work on the architectural model, and so the first thing we need to do is we got some preset sheets. This is like a structural sheet, but I don't want to use that one. Maybe later I'll take that view, or maybe let me see what we got there. Floor plan level 1. Okay, so this is how we're going to do this. I'm going to take this, I want to remove this title block. I'm going to go to my properties and select it. I'm going to go to edit type. And here I want to just load instead of, what have we got in here? Let's see what that, actually, let's see what that looks like. No, I want to just do my own, so I'm going to go edit type here, and I want to load one of mine, and I think I want that one there. I'm going to go open, and okay. So there's our sheet, but I'm not going to use this view. I'm going to make an architectural drawing. But this is probably something else, so I'm going to go to my project browser once again. That is it. Okay, so what they did, they used the view template. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this guy, go to my properties, and if I look at the view template, what did they use? They have none. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this sheet here for later on. We might have something to do with that. And I'm going to just go in my project browser, and I'm going to go and right click. I'm going to do a new sheet, and I want to use the one we got here. And so I want to go to level 1, and I'm going to duplicate this guy. And this will be my first level plan. I'm going to rename this. You can do it here. You can right click and rename it, or you can do it in the properties. You can do it here. See, you can go here, but I'm going to go where I like to do it. I like to do it here. Right click, rename. First floor plan. I'm going to just call this floor plan. Very simple here in this, so okay. And then I'm going to go grab my sheet. And this is, just structural stuff is always as so. I'm going to select this view, and I'm going to rename this. Okay, select it. I'm going to rename this here. I'm going to call this A1, A01. This will be my floor plan. Very simple here. Oh, that's not how you spell floor. So you can do this later on, and then we're going to call it main floor plan or whatever. Then we go grab our sheet here to that sheet, open it up, and we'll drag and drop our floor plan on the sheet. Now notice it's wrong scale, so we go here and activate view. We'll change the scale to 3/16. That's a little better fit. Deactivate the view. Cancel that. I want to deactivate this view and just move it into place. So that's all you really got to do for the floor plan. We're going to just get that in there now. It's our floor plan. And then we want to do our elevations, so I'm going to do a new sheet. I want to go with that one. And we'll go at the east here. The north here. And we can adjust the elevation, the scales or whatever. And I'll create another sheet. Okay. And we'll go with this south and the west. So there's how you basically set up your sheets. You can do this any way you want. You can change the scales. I'm going to activate this view here. See if we got any preset view templates. If not, we'll go into view templates because that's a whole video in itself. So let's see what we got here. View templates. Okay, we got architecture elevation there. It's at 1/8 scale, so let's go okay. Alright, maybe we want to make it a little bigger here, so let's go activate view. Yeah, let's manipulate the view template so we can get something here. So I'm going to deactivate this. I'm going to select the view template, and I'm going to go here in the architecture view template and go and change the scale here to let's go at 3/16. Okay, one a little bigger than 1/8 inch. Apply. Okay. Now let's go to 1/4 inch for the D. Okay. So you get what I'm saying here, right? View template, architectural elevation. Let's go with 1/4 inch. And check that box. Oh wow, so that might be a little large. I think the 3/16 will work here. So I'm going to go back in here, activate view, and go to my view template. Let's change this to 3/16. Apply. Okay, yeah, that's a little better. So if I deactivate this view and then I just activate this one, I'll apply the view template here. Apply. Okay. And let's move that into view. So this is basically an exercise on view templates that I wanted to show you. I'm going to activate this view. So let's go look at the other sheet here. Same, you just go to my view template, architectural elevation, and then we can make adjustments. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you how to do view templates, and we're gonna do some more things with this the next day or so. Okay, and there you go. And then we'll go back into our floor plan now. Let's go to our floor plan and do the same. We're going to activate this view here. And what do we have? Preset view template here. We don't have any, so let's see. We got an architectural plan. Let's see what that looks like. And you'll untick that box. You don't want to worry about the scale. Apply. Okay. Don't like that. We gotta adjust that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show you how to do view templates, set up some basic sheets. Yeah. So we got our 3D view, and we created some sheets with that. Got our elevations, our plan views. So next we'll continue these drawings later on, but for now I'm gonna leave it there. Everybody be safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.